right here. Ah! Oh, y'all. You're about to get a serious view of some amazing horses. I'm going to pull up a little bit further. Oh my God, there's a huge herd. A huge herd. I'm going to turn the truck off. I'll probably start climbing around the truck. Get pictures and videos. Alright. I'll turn this thing around and show you the horses. So cool! Do you guys see this? I'm still sitting in my truck. See? Do you see the massive herd of horses? Oh, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. There was just 4 of them with us. Right as we were ending the photo shoot, 4 of them came walking by, almost came right up to us, which tells you they're used to getting fed by humans. Not necessarily a good thing, but they're beautiful. Let's see if I can zoom in. I believe the 4 that went walking by are in the center right now. The center front ones. That was about their color. Nothing but open range, baby. With the wild mustangs. Alright guys, so you got to see the wild mustangs with me. Now we're gonna head back. See if I can get you to stay here while I drive. Bye! Have a good night! They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, and the moon is gorgeous right now. I think I might be a full moon. I didn't even realize that. Scheduled a photo shoot on a full moon. I had a hawk fly in front of me on the way out, and then horses as we were ending the shoot, and then this massive herd of horses. This is a good day, guys. And I kind of want to get a picture of the moon right now. I've got it centered in between some crazy looking trees. Let me stop this. I'm gonna take a picture and I'll put you back. Okay, we're back. Horses are still over there. They'll probably be there for the rest of the night. They tend to stick with the herd at night, especially because the coyotes come out and want to hunt them, you know, like the smaller ones and stuff. Okay, brakes off. We're in drive. Lights are on. We're good to go. I'm sure there ain't nothing coming. I get another view of these horses as I drive by. They're so pretty. There's white ones, there's painted horses, black and brown. I don't know what the chestnut color is. It chestnut? The ones that are like a really light brown. Ain't no one on this road right now. I've only only seen a couple people all day, like a few people. Drove by one earlier. I'm pretty sure he had taken pictures of the horses and was busy looking at his phone to see what pictures he got, and that's why he was sitting in the middle of the road in my way, not even noticing. I can understand them. Horses are majestic. I love horses, but the wild horses are even cooler. I'm driving kind of slow because this is a really old road. There's a lot of bumps in it. And in my van, that would be fine. It is fine in my van, but in this big truck, because it's a flatbed on the back, that's not so fine. It just wants to like bounce all over the place. I'm hoping as I drive that this phone like stays in place. Woo! Picking up a little speed. Oh, I found a cool rock too. There's lots of gemstones out here. I'm pretty sure the one I found is called rhyolite. Pretty unique. I like meant to do different lipstick colors during the shoot. I totally forgot to even apply lipstick after the first one. I'm so bad with that. I don't wear lipstick very often at all, like really only for a photo shoot. And even sometimes during a photo shoot, I won't wear lipstick. I'll just wear chapstick. There was someone camping out back here where we did the photo shoot. Like in a little camper in a truck. That would be fun. But I've hiked up here before, and I know that there's a truck abandoned up there, so I don't know how safe it is to actually go way up the mountain. I have seen vehicles get stranded and abandoned up there. You seem to be moving, so okay. Let's see if we can get you to stay like that. Tiny town that I'm in right now. It's on the outskirts of, and I'm just about to go through the town. So in the town, speed limit is 20 miles an hour. Since I'm not from here, and trust me, every single person who lives here knows I'm not from here, I'm gonna make sure I go under the speed limit. I don't want no trouble, okay? But everyone here seems nice. Like, everyone was waving as I was driving by earlier, and that's really cool. I like that. Probably not gonna have people wave like that guy that just passed me didn't wave, but it's dark now. Like, my headlights are probably blinding them, you know? Or it's getting dark. Headlights are blinding. So I can see him, but I don't know if he can see me. I kind of want to go to the park because it looks pretty right now, but I'm pretty sure the hours just closed, and I don't know if this truck would fit down that road. Oh, there's a big piece of tumbleweed going across the road. I had to slow down for the tumbleweed. I could run it over, but they're full of spikes, so I don't want to run it over. Not that they're not spikes big enough to puncture my truck tires, but it would stick in the rubber of the truck tires, and that would just be a mess. So no thanks. Good on that. So yeah, I gotta get the heat and the AC fixed. I gotta get that stuff worked on. Oh good, there's not much traffic right now. There's really not much of a on-ramp to the interstate from here. So that's why I just went over the interstate bridge. I was checking to see, is there much traffic? Because when there is, you have to time it perfectly to get through here. wheels will face towards the curb as much as possible. That way, if for any reason the brake gives out while it's parked, it'll hit the curb, not go rolling down the hill and crash into someone's vehicle or someone's house. That would super suck. Oh, that's the brake. Alright, we're good. That noise lets me know that I'm still hitting the brake. And I don't need to. Alright, see y'all soon.